Welcome back to Bona's Kitchen. Today, we will make one of the requested recipes, the Ensaymada. Ensaymada is a popular Filipino bread that is covered with buttercream frosting and topped with grated cheddar cheese. Let's get baking! For the dough, we will need 3½ cups of plain flour, 1 cup of fresh milk or evaporated milk, 3 egg yolks, ½ cup of lard or vegetable shortening, 1 tablespoon of instant yeast, 1/3 cup of white sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. You can also check the full list of ingredients in the description below. Combine the flour, sugar, salt, and the yeast. Mix them together. Make a hole. Then add the milk. The egg yolks, and the lard, and mix them together until you form a dough. Transfer the dough onto the work surface and knead this for about 10 minutes or until the dough is smooth and elastic. Don't worry if the dough is sticky, but if it's too sticky, sprinkle some more flour, but do not add too much, as it is meant to be sticky. After kneading, shape it into a ball and transfer it into a bowl lightly greased with oil. Then cover it with tea towel and let it rise for about 1 to 2 hours or until it has doubled in size. After 1 hour, the dough has already doubled in size. Transfer it into the work surface. Then, cut it in half. Shape it into a log. Cut it into 6 slices. Then, shape each slice into a ball. Then, flatten it using a rolling pin. and brush it with butter. And roll it. Pinch the edges to seal. And make a swirl. And pinch the edge in the bottom. Transfer it into a mold. Repeat the procedure with the remaining dough. Now, cover it with tea towel and let it rest for about 30 to 1 hour or until it almost doubled in size. For the buttercream, we will need half cup of unsalted butter and half cup of powdered sugar. In a bowl, add the butter, and using a hand mixer, cream the butter, scrape the sides of the bowl, and add the powdered sugar, and then cream them together. After it has already doubled in size, bake this in the preheated oven of 150 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the top is golden brown. After baking, let the ensaymada completely cool to room temperature. Coat the top of the ensaymada with the buttercream that we have prepared a while ago. Then, top it with grated cheddar cheese. And here's our finished product! These are light and so fluffy and perfect for an afternoon snack. This is what it looks like inside. So soft. If you like this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!